Gates open, they're up and racing. Miss Chanel, as expected, draws for your lead. Laon Laan is in second on the outside. Running by the rail is Angel Dugo, Chip Up Stop. And trailing the group is Action Sailor as they leave the straight and going to the 3/4 mile pole with Miss Chanel in command by about 6. Running in second is Laon Laan, Angel Dugo racing in third. Running alongside fourth, Chief of Staff, Action Sailor. As they race towards the last 900, Miss Chanel still in command by a gap of 6 lengths over Laon Laan. Running on the outside, Chief of Staff moving up by the release, the favorite Angel Dugo. Action Sailor still in behind them. As they rounded the last 600, Miss Chanel still the leader by 4. Closing in second is Angel Dugo, Chip of Stop, Laon Laan, Action Sailor. As they race the last 450, Miss Chanel still leading the field by about 3 lengths. Angel Dugo coming in closer in second, and on the outside, Chip of Stop, Action Sailor. And down the stretch they come. Miss Chanel still leading the field. Running on the outside, Angel Dugo, Chip of Stop, Action Sailor. And down the stretch they come. It's still Miss Chanel. Angel Dugo remains in second. And finally at the finish line, it's going to be Miss Chanel from start to finish. Second, Angel Dugo, Chip of Stop. Then comes Action Sailor and Laon Laan.